important is the ability to express how you're feeling, okay? A lot of you might know bien, right? You're good, but you're not always good, right? Sometimes you're bad, and sometimes you're tired, and sometimes you're mad, sometimes you're bored, sometimes you're excited, right? So we're going to talk all about our feelings today and learn how to say those in Spanish. And then we're going to do a little actividad where you get to tell me how you would feel in certain situaciones, okay? Oh yeah, and sometimes, sad. Sad. I was like, what emotion am I doing? Okay, we're going to learn some feeling words today. This says, ¿Cómo te sientes? ¿Cómo te sientes? It's kind of the same question as ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás is how are you? ¿Cómo te sientes is how are you feeling? Just another way to ask it. So, ¿Cómo te sientes? Since we're learning feelings, sentimientos, we're going to talk about how we are feeling. ¿Cómo estás? So, to say I am, this will be the start of all of them, is estoy. That is I am for feelings. Okay, there's another way to say I am. Some of you might know it, but don't worry about that today. Today is all about estoy, which means I am for feelings. Repitan, estoy. Okay, estoy. The one that you might know is going to be our first one because it's easy. Estoy bien. Estoy bien. What does bien mean? Estoy bien. Estoy bien. The Heitzman Hive knows it. Yeah, it's good. I'm good. Estoy bien. Okay? Estoy bien. So bien is good or like you're doing well or you're fine. Okay? Estoy bien. Estoy bien. Yeah, estoy bien. ¿Y tú? How are you? I'm good. And you? ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien. ¿Y tú? It's okay if you have no idea. That's fine. A lot of beginners here. So this is great that you're learning this. So estoy bien is one of the most common ones to say. Repitan. Bien. Estoy bien. Okay. The opposite of bien. If you're not good. Mal. Mal. Yeah, Ticia, like that. Mal. M-A-L. Mal. Estoy mal. Estoy mal. Ooh, actually, I'm going to put these up there. That'll be good. That'll be good. Mal. Or you can be muy mal. Muy mal. Maybe you just had a bad day. Muy mal. 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 Ugh, mal. Hopefully you aren't mal a lot. Hopefully you never have to say estoy mal. Okay? Feliz. Feliz. Feliz, like feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz is happy. Feliz. Repitan. Feliz. Mal is bad. Feliz is happy. Oh, I almost wrote it in English. I don't want to write it in English. Feliz. Hopefully you're all feliz today. Who's feliz today? Who's feliz? Grace and Eden, you guys got it. Yeah, yo estoy feliz. Yo estoy feliz, Ticia. Muy bien, yo estoy feliz. So young family, if there's more than one of you, or any of you, if there's more than one, estamos is we are. It's like this. That's we are. Just so you know, okay? Emma says estoy feliz. Muy bien. Okay, what's the next one? The opposite of feliz. One of the opposites of feliz. Triste. Triste. Oh, Heitzman Hive. Estoy feliz to be learning español. Muy bien. Triste. And yeah, I am going to check the chat. Triste. Repitan. Triste. Triste. I can't even say triste without tears coming in my eyes. It's so sad. Triste. Oh, bebe. Triste. It means you're sad. Look, I almost like made myself cry. Triste. Triste. Not just babies cry. Adults cry too. Triste. Triste. Okay. Maybe he didn't get his nap. Está muy triste el bebé. Está triste. That's not a fun emoción. Not a fun sentimiento. Yeah. Triste. Triste. Make a sad face at home and say triste. Repitan. Triste. Triste. I don't know how I made myself cry. Okay. Enojado. 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 Mad. Angry or mad. Enojado. Enojado is angry or mad. Repitan. Enojado. Enojado. Also not a fun sentimiento. Not a fun feeling. Enojado. If you're a girl, you make it end in an A. Okay? If you're a girl, you say enojada. Enojada. Boys, enojado. Girls, enojada. More than one of you, boys and girls, it's enojados. Yeah. Okay. Next one is kind of how I feel at this time of night, because it's 6 o'clock here, which is kind of tarde para mí. Entonces, estoy cansada. Estoy cansada. Or cansado. Yeah, estoy cansado. Tired. Repitan. Cansado. And girls, repitan. Cansada. Cansada. Ella está muy cansada. Está durmiendo en su pan. Está durmiendo en su pan. Se durmió en su pan, en la cocina. Está muy cansada. Yeah, she fell asleep in her pan, in her bread. Está muy cansada. Cansado. Yeah. Cansado, cansada. What time of day do you feel most cansado or cansada? What time of day? Morning, afternoon, or evening? Or give me a time. In the morning, en la mañana, in the evening, en la tarde, por la noche, at night, por la noche, en la tarde. A lot of you, early in the morning on weekdays, yeah. En la noche, young family. Yeah, en la noche. You don't get tired in the morning? Or who's tired all day? Está cansada todo el día? Hopefully nobody. Todo el día cansado? Okay. The next one is really easy. Nervioso. Ooh, nervioso. It's not scared. Listen. Nervioso. Nervioso. Nervioso is nervous. Nervioso. What would a girl say? She wouldn't say nervioso. She would say nerviosa. Very good, Madeline. Very good, Kylie. Nervioso, nerviosa. Maybe you're about to take a big test, or you have to go audition for a play, or you have a ballet recital. Those might all make you a little bit nervioso or nerviosa. What else might make you a little bit nervioso or nerviosa in your life? Making a speech is a good one. Yeah. Clowns make you nervioso. Spiders, maybe nothing like scared, but ooh, a little nervioso. Maybe you have to teach a class on Zoom and you're a little nerviosa. Yes, thunderstorms make you nerviosa. Singing in front of people makes you nerviosa. Gymnastics competition, nerviosa. Sharing a project out loud, talking sometimes just makes you nerviosa. Yeah. Yeah, getting stuck like in the snow or something, getting sick also makes you a little nerviosa. Ooh, why am I having the sniffles? Hopefully I'm not that sick. Sick. Enfermo. That's one of our feelings, one of our sentimientos. Enfermo. Repitan. Enfermo. Enfermo. What would a girl say? She wouldn't say estoy enfermo. She would say estoy enferma. She would say estoy enferma. I'm sick. Estoy enferma. Estoy enferma. I am not enferma. Yo no estoy enferma. Estoy bien. No estoy enferma. Enfermo, enferma. Okay. This one we learned. No, they're not magnetic. I'm taping. I'm using cinta. Emocionada. Emocionada. Young Billy Martin. You guys got it. Yeah, it's excited. Emocionado. Emocionada. Oh, I didn't write enferma. Sorry. Enfermo. Or enferma. Yeah, so it's funny because she is está emocionada. Why might she be emocionada? Why do you think she might be emocionada right now? What do you think? Someone's about to give her some candy, so she's emocionada. She has to take a so está emocionada. It's her birthday. Está emocionada. A lot of people said birthday. Time for cookies, galletas. Estoy emocionada. Her dad just told her he's buying her a pony. Está emocionada. Yeah. Or it's a new year, she got a puppy. She got a perrito. Está emocionada. Oh, good one. Her best friend, her mejor amiga, just walked in the puerta. Emocionada. She wants something special. She saw her favorite person. Yeah, maybe like her mom or her best friend walked in. Ooh, she has some cake. She's getting an iPad. Emocionada. She's too young to get an iPad, isn't she? I think. Who knows? Emocionada. Yeah, she's getting a cat. It's Christmas. She doesn't have to take a nap this day. No siesta. Lifetime of candy. Yeah, a lot of things that she might be really emocionada. Emocionado. Emocionada. Emocionada. She met someone famoso. Muy bien. Oh, cool. Gemma and Kason, are you emocionado about that? They said they're going back to real school. Are you emocionado? You excited? Okay. Last one. This is a good one. Maybe if you're in like a Spanish-speaking country or in a different country. Oh my goodness. Or maybe just in school and you don't get something. It's like you don't understand it. Confundido. Confundido. You guys are all getting it right. It's confused. Confundido or confundida. Confundido, it's confused. Confundido. Huh? That's my best confused face. Confundido. Confundida. Yeah, just like that, chicas. Muy bien. Confused. Okay. Confundido. Confundido if you're a boy. Confundida if you're a girl. Okay. Yes, there's confundidos. So the Heitzman hive, if you're all confused, you would say estamos confundidos. We're all confused. Estamos confundidos.